my friends, and welcome to our math lesson for this week. And we are continuing our measurement unit, and I thought that we would do some measuring cups for this week. So what we're going to be doing is everybody's going to have their own cup, and the cups that I have are exactly 1 cup in capacity. So that means that they hold 1 cup of water, okay? And we're also going to need a small measuring scoop, and the one that I'm using is 1/4 cup. So that's what I'm using, and we are going to practice filling our measuring cup using one of the smaller measuring cups. Okay, so I have the numbers 1 to 5, and I am going to take them off of here. I'm going to put them behind. One thing I also want to do to make it a little bit more fun and easier to see is add some color into my cup of water here. Can anybody see what color it is? Ooh, it's blue. I'm just going to put a little bit more. All right, so you should have a larger measuring cup or container filled with water and a smaller one, and then whoever's playing against you can have another one. And I'm going to pull a number. What number is that? 3. All right. Number 3. Let's count it out. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to take 3 scoops of blue water and put it into this cup. You ready to count with me one more time? 1. And I want you to try and fill it up to the very top. 1, 2, 3, and stop. Okay, so that's my first container. Now we're going to do the other one and see which one has more. Okay, I'm going to take my cubes away. I'm going to pick a different number. Ready? Ooh, can you see what number that is? 5. That's right. Let's count that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to take 5 scoops of blue water and put it into this container over here, okay? Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. It's time to look. I'm going to put this one away. Let's look. And I'm going to put these 2 containers side by side. So these 2 containers can hold the same amount of water. But if we look, one of them has more water right now. Can you tell me which one has more water? Is it the one with 3 scoops? Or is it the one with 5 scoops? Which one has more? That's right. The one that is 5 scoops has more. And you know what? That makes sense because 5 is a bigger number than 3. And if we look at the numbers all in a row, we'll see that 5 comes after 3. So that means if we're going this way on our number line, 5 is going to be bigger than 3. And if we look at our containers, we can see that 5 scoops of the same size is bigger than 3 scoops. All right, shall we do one more? All right, here we go. Let's pour the water back in. Pour it back in. Okay, so now we have 2 empty containers. Get my numbers. All right, mix them up. You ready? What number is that? 2. Let's count it out. 1, 2. Let's put 2 scoops of water into the first container. 1, 2. All right. Now let's pick the next number. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. What number is that? The same number. Number 2, let's count it out. 1, 2. Okay, how many scoops am I going to put? 2, that's right. 1, 2. Let's look. What do you think? If we look really, really closely, let me push this a little bit further. Do they look the same or different? Both were the number 2. They look a little bit different. Do you know why that could be? Wow. When we're using this type of measuring tool, like a scoop, sometimes it's hard to be completely accurate. Sometimes it's hard to have it go right to the top. So when Jen was pouring it, she might have been a little bit off. But if you look at them, they're very similar, and I put 2 scoops in both of them. Okay, so if you're at home, you should have some cups at home, and a measuring cup, and a scoop, and you can practice this activity at home. You can use bigger numbers, you can use different size measuring scoops. That's another way to make it a little bit more challenging for you. So have fun at home. Bye.